Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app and drivers are current, because outdated drivers break capture performance. Once confirmed, open Geforce Experience and enable in-game overlay under Preferences General so recording features appear. Press Alt+Z or click the overlay icon to bring up controls. You'll see Instant Replay, Record, and Broadcast. Make sure your microphone and desktop audio devices are selected in Settings Audio so your captures include the right inputs. Now you're ready to configure quality settings before you need to balance quality and disk use. Choose a preset or custom to set bitrate, encoder NVENC, resolution, and FPS. For gameplay, select 1080p at 60 FPS for smooth footage, or 1440p/4K if your GPU and storage can handle higher bitrates. Once done, specify MP4 or MKV, enable microphone and push to talk if you'll narrate, and pick a fast drive as the save location to avoid stutter. Make sure shadow or instant replay duration matches the moments you want. You begin recording by hitting record or enabling instant replay to retroactively save highlights. Use Alt+F9 to start and stop recordings quickly, and Alt+Z to access the overlay if you need to change options. Once you stop, open the gallery to trim and share clips directly. If you encounter dropped frames or audio sync issues, lower bitrate or resolution, switch encoder presets, check disk write speed, and update drivers. If problems persist, restart Geforce Experience and reboot the PC before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.